Colombia Barranquilla.
Well, here's my better half deciding that she's going to go in a store that has lots of neat things to look at. My better half will always like to go into department stores. They have some very ornate dresses and bird feathers and ribbons and these mannequins all over this mall. This is a special event for the carnival in Barranquilla. And this area of Barranquilla, this particular department store went way out in putting in all of these costumes. Very ornate, very beautiful. You will see several more during this walkthrough. This one looks like the farmer's daughter. She's got the polka dotted long flowing skirt. This lady here looks like she's more ready to go to a ball. You can see the different kinds of other ornate objects like these cow's skull that's up there on the wall, the giant flowers, and of course more of these ladies in beautiful dresses. This one here in the forest green is very nice. Not sure exactly what this one is. I can see that he has the flowers. It almost looks like it has some kind of legs coming up at the top. And we have more, and even more. This one looks like it's more of a man instead of a lady. That's a hell of a blue nose.